Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good night. We are from Group 2. We'll deliver material about how to be a good rhythmic gymnastic athlete. Before entering the material, I will introduce our team. For the first is myself, Sabila Trianingsi, and my friend.
My name is Kifara Rifana Jasmine.
My name is Naufal Aflaginanta.
And my name is Firda Fajri Hermawan.
Alright, entering the presentation material to my friend. Please start delivering the material.
The first is definition. What is gymnastic? Gymnastic is defined as a body exercise deliberately selects and constructs consciously and plans arranged systematically with a purpose increase freshness, cycle, develop skills, and instill spiritual mental values.
Definition of branch in gymnastics. According to Kickback, there are 6 types of gymnastics. Number 1, artistic gymnastics. Artistic gymnastics is a type of gymnastics that combines tumbling gymnastics and acrobatic gymnastics to go beautiful movement. Number 2, rhythmic gymnastics. Rhythmic gymnastics is gymnastics with movement that follow that rhythmically in the form of clapping, tapping, sing, music, and so on. Number 3, acrobatic gymnastics. Acrobatic gymnastics is one of the gymnastic disciplines in which players who are is the same team work together and share rules in terms of jump shot, dance, landing, fall movement according to musical. Number 4, aerobic is gymnastic. Aerobic is gymnastic with the series of movements that are pattern of not accompanied by a musical rhythm that has certain rhythmic provision, continuity, and duration. Number 5, trampoline gymnastics. Trampoline gymnastics is a type of gymnastics that is performed on a trampoline, which was originally done to help someone do acrobatic circular movement in beautiful air. Number 6, general gymnastics. General gymnastics is a sport that involves that performance of exercise that requires physical strength, flexibility, agility, coordination, balance, and control.
How to be a good gymnastic athlete. 1. Intention and prayers. To be able to become a gymnastic athlete, you have to convince yourself. Are you sure or feel you don't value want to participate? Start with intention and prayer for your own success. 2. Motivation. After you are sure of that, you must be able to cultivate a sense of enthusiasm within yourself so that you can live happily and earnestly so that you can achieve good results. 3. Routine practice. To be able to become a good and professional gymnastic athlete, you also have to practice regularly whether the step to do and what is the right way to do it. 4. Mention diet and sleep. To become a good gymnastic athlete, not only do you have to do continuous training, but you also have to be able to mention your eating and sleeping patterns as effectively as possible so that when you perform, you can do your best without any problems. 5. The warming step by step. Before doing the basic activities of gymnastic movement, you must warm up first. This warm up is very important for athletes to avoid minor or serious injuries. And warm up must also be done sequentially from head to toe. After this, we will discuss one type of gymnastic, namely rhythmic gymnastic.
How to warm up during exercise. Before doing rhythmic gymnastic exercise, we must warm up first, according to the following order. A. Static stretching. Static stretching is a movement that is done slowly on the muscle until there is tension and pain. How to do this stretch to stay in place or not move. Example of this movement like stretching the things muscle be bending touching the floor. B. Dynamic hitting. Dynamic hitting exercise is a stretching exercise be moving the body or limbs rhythmically without maintaining the farthest stretching position. The effect the advantage of dynamic stretching exercise are progressively increase the range of motion of the joint. Dynamic stretching example of high knees, squat jump, and jumping jack. C. Run at least 10 laps. Run at least 10 laps is a good way to build muscle mass and increase stamina endurance. D. Skipping. Doing skipping can training balance and coordination of the body. You really need balance and body coordination when jumping rope. Continuously jumping at high speed can train your body to stay balanced and not fall during the exercise. Jumping rope at the next level can be done by swinging the rope twice in one jump. This affects the coordination of several parts of the body at once, especially the feet and wrists. A. Hitting performing flexibility. Flexibility is a easy of movement, especially in the joints of the muscle. Flexibility aims so that the muscles in the joints are not stiff and can move freely without any significant interference. So, flexibility exercises are useful for avoiding injuries to joints and muscles. The form of movement in flexibility exercise, of course, but must be adjusted to the nature and form of the joint motion. Example of flexile movement such as the movement of right legs and left opened as wide as possible. The position of the cobra and wheel pose.
All right. Now we're entering the last step about how to be a good rhythmic gymnastic athlete. After warming up, there are several training steps to improve rhythmic gymnastic skills. And the first is swinging legs. The second is stand on tiptoe for at least 5 minutes and walk on tiptoe 2 sets, split and split box. Practice jumping, balance, and pivot, and then exercise with rhythmic gymnastic tools. For the swinging legs is, gak bisa. Wait. All right. Here can be seen as in the pictures. Here is swinging the legs can be seen as in the picture athlete holding on the bar, feet tiptoe, and then swinging the right and left foot one at a time is 16 times or more according to the ability. Swing the leg forward, then side, then back, like in the picture, this. And sometimes rhythmic gymnastic athlete wearing leg weights like this, or gym rubber, this, to add weights to the feet. The function of doing this exercise is so that when doing the rhythmic gymnastic movement, the legs feel light and have more power. The second is stand on toes and hold 5 minutes, then walk around the court at least 2 times. The purpose of doing this exercise is strengthening our tiptoes, especially when doing balance or pivot. The third is split and split boxes. This, you can see these pictures. You must already know about splits, right? But if the split box is as shown in the picture, the toe of the right foot is in the front box, the toe of the left foot is in the back box, and the body hangs between the legs. This causes the body to fall downwards, carried by gravity. The result is that the flexibility of the legs will increase. And the next is about balance, pivot, and jump. This picture for the balance. Okay. Wait. Okay. This balance training. The first is balance, a movement where the body rests on one foot that is on tiptoe and then held for at least 3 seconds. Can be seen in the picture. This. Mana kursornya? This. This movement is called the balance ring. There is also a plane balance, frontal balance, side scale, back scale, footse, fonse, and many more. The second is pivot, almost the same as balance. The difference is that pivot using rotation with at least 1 rotation. More rotation, that point also increase. Can be seen. Here's the. Okay. The movement is called pivot fonse and many more. The last one is jump. There is these pictures can called spagat. And jumping begins with chasse or preparation by 2 steps, then jump while doing the movement according to the name, as in the picture is Pagat jump. This one. And the last one is training using RG tools or rhythmic gymnastic tools. There are balls, this ball, fotonya kok nggak ada sih? Hoops, clubs, and ribbons. This is ribbon. So in training using tools, rhythmic gymnastic athlete also use choreography, which is in the form of pivot, balance, and jumping movement, and other movement that are arranged a maximum of 1.30 minutes and using music. All right, my explanation is the last material from how to be a good rhythmic gymnastic. I return the time and place to the moderator. Thank you.
Well, thank you, my friend, who have delivered the material well. That the presentation from our group regarding how good make gymnastic athlete. Thank you for your attention. There are more or less. We apologize. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.